Kia ora. Today we're going to be doing a simple video on plastic welding. I have a hole in my boat, and so I'll show you how it's done. These are the tools we'll be using today. So this is what we're welding here. There's a hole that's worn out there. I've filled the hole with one layer, and we're going to put a thicker layer on there so that when I drag it down the beach it's not going to get another hole in it. So we've got our pliers. We're just going to use that to hold on to our plastic. We've got this with a flame on it. You know, these different lighters that you can use that would work, or you could use something more professional. So the idea is to heat this plastic all up, because this is quite thick. I'm going to go all around the sides and do the other side as well. I can just see it starting to bend now. See that top corner there? Just starting to bend over. So we know it's starting to be more flexible. See how it is like that? So I'm just going to add on to this. Make it nice and thick. So that's it, pretty simple. And I'm just going to pour a bit of water on that just to cool it, to give it so it stays in shape as it cools down.